Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another subscription for November. This time is the Allure beauty box, the red box as usually. Let's see what we have in this one. I watched Marie Cantelli unboxing for this one, and I know this month we'll have just almost just, not quite just, masks. Here is the card, the booklet that comes with the box, and we have details about for each product. Actually, I'm not gonna read everything. There are some coupon codes here. If they are helpful, let me know and I'll leave them in the comments down below. Let's see what we have in this one. So far, here is the box for this month. And first thing that I see here are those hair rings that comes very often in boxes. This is the Invisible with 3 of them. About this one, the price for this one is $7.95 and you can get them at Ulta. They recommend this to use when you wanna apply a mask just to hold your hair. So as I told you, I'm not gonna read all the details, but so far this is the packaging is pretty cute. So far this is the first item. Then we have in here a lip mask, and this one is from Coco Star Rose Lip Mask. And I like the picture on the back. This one is $38 for 20 of this. I'm not a fan of lip mask. I don't feel like they really do something for me. Probably I will never buy them, but I use them when they come in boxes. So far 20 of those for $38. Not bad as price. If you like them, why not? Then we have a Glow Recipe, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Jelly Sheet Mask is this one. I love the brand. I had the sleeping mask in my samples of the week. Happy to get one of these. I bought one of these from Sephora that and is in my project pan. I didn't use it yet, but I'm happy to have a backup. And this one is $8. Then another mask in here is from Pathology. This is Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gels. They look like this, and the price for those, we get one pair in here. It's $15 for 5. So 5 of those with $15. Then we have a Glam Glow mask, and this one is the Super Mud Clearing Treatment, 59 in a full size. And of course there is a coupon here. So here is the size of this one. Comes in this size in many beauty boxes. I used another one lately and I really enjoy it. I like everything I tried from Glam Glow. That one is gonna be in my favorites, my next favorites. I didn't have the chance to film the October favorites. I don't know if I will film it or I will accumulate it with the November, but so far happy to get a Glam Glow in here. Then we have a card. If you buy from Antro Beauty, $10. If you are interested in this one, let me know. Then we have Pearl from Labcos, something like that. We have the Pearl Brightening Mask, which looks like this, and this one is $14 for 5. Not bad as price. And the last one in here is from Star Skin, which is a good brand and quite expensive. This one is the exfoliating foot mask. So looks like this. Not a very cheap brand, and those are $15, so it's not quite cheap for one mask. Is that exfoliating one, the one that helps to remove the dead skin. Always use them. I used to use them 4 times a year for each season. It's about time to try not to use another one, because I didn't use one since I was home, probably in May or before. Anyway, so far in this I was surprised to see so many masks when Maria unboxed the Allure for this month. But so far we have a foot mask, which I'm always happy to get. We have those hair rings. We have an eye mask. We have a little bit of everything. Gas masks, the eye mask, lip mask, and 3 face masks, 2 sheets, and this Glam Glow clearing treatment, I believe. Yeah, the clearing treatment, super mud. So all those products in the Allure. I do like the box also for this month. I just wasn't expected to see so many masks, but so far those are I tried some of them. I like them. I will use them. That's kind of all for Allure November. Let me know what do you think about Allure for November. And this is gonna be a short video because I have enough videos that are way too long. Allure, it's $16 per month. Not bad as price. I feel like they are getting better and better each month. I will keep this subscription. Let me know if you have the Allure box. How do you like it? And that's kind of all for now. I will excuse me, I will see you guys very soon again. You have an amazing day. Bye bye.